Hey everyone! So, I went to my first Canadian house party, and let me tell you, it was a whole new experience. Back in Cebu, when someone says, "Party at my place," you know what's up. You don't even have to ask. It means drinks, food, and karaoke all night long. I got to this Canadian party at 8 p.m. and it was quiet. No loud karaoke, no one yelling, "Bottoms up." No random neighbors showing up with a roasted pig, just a few people sitting around sipping wine, talking. I thought, wait, is this a prayer meeting? They offered me some red wine. I was expecting a strong shot of coconut wine or something, but nope, just wine. I took a sip and thought, wow, this is bitter, like cough syrup but without the good part. I asked, where's the karaoke? And they looked at me like I had 3 heads. Turns out Canadians don't have karaoke at every party. In Cebu, the karaoke the party. The first singer is always a little shy, but after a few beers, they think they're on a singing competition show. But here's the real shocker. At 10 p.m., someone said, I should get going. 10 p.m.? In Cebu, 10 p.m. is when the party is just getting started. If you leave a party at 10 p.m. in Cebu, people will ask, what's wrong? Is there a problem at home? By midnight, the Canadian party was over. Dishes were clean, candles were out, and I was standing there wondering where the roasted pig was. Meanwhile, back in Cebu, the party is still going strong. That uncle who passed out at 9 p.m. is magically awake and singing the same song for the 3rd time. So, Canadian parties are nice, I guess. Polite, organized, and they end early. But nothing, and I mean nothing, beats a Cebuano party. The drinks are flowing, the singing never stops, and you don't even go home. You just wake up there.